This is Jake Consulting and welcome sa aking channel, your trusted channel regarding sa SEC, BIR, and DTI compliance. No? So for today's video guys, I'll show you the step-by-step on how to download the General Information Sheet updated version. No? That's 2026 version 4, stock corporations po muna tayo. Alright, so subsequently, i-upload ko din po yung non-stock corporations. Actually, same lang din naman po sila ng way to download, but siyempre may add lang po ako ng mga tips and advices, no? So yun, without further ado, let's start. So yun, just to give you an overview lang po muna guys, no? As of this moment na nire-record ko po itong video, today is May 2026, ginagamit pa po yung 2020 old version. So marami pa rin po ang gumagamit nun, no, na 2020 old version. So sa 10 pages, no, may 10 pages kasi doon sa 2020 old version. So sa 10 pages na yan, kasali pa po diyan yung beneficial ownership declaration page. So makikita niyo po 'yan sa pinakahuli, no, after the signatories of signatory lang ng corporate secretary. So nasa 10th page po 'yan siya. And good news po sa mga gumagamit pa ng old version, extended po siya, no, until June 30, 2026. So nagkaroon ng ng update previously. Dati ang sabi ng SEC, no, na extended lang siya up until May 15. But it seemed like parang may need pa na pwedeng mag-adjust yung mga bago kasi may bago silang in-integrate na system. No, so kailangan nilang extend. I think it's one of the reasons din, no, na in-extend nila yung paggamit ng 2020 old version na GIS. So again, may bago po tayong version ngayon and ito po yung subject matter natin, no, for this video. So that's 2026 new version. Sa loob po ng 2026 version na yan, 9 pages na lang po siya. Ni-remove na po yung beneficial ownership declaration page. Okay? So it will no longer be an annex to the GIS. No, so sabi kasi doon sa parang MC nila, no, ng beneficial ownership declaration, BOD daw was just an annex to that general information sheet. So ngayon, ni-remove na po yan nila. Actually, yung content guys, no, from page 1 hanggang page 9, same po, no. So wala pong pinagbago. It's just that ni-remove lang nila yung beneficial ownership declaration page. And of course, there's this subsequent compliance. Hindi natin po pwedeng sabihin na additional compliance siya. Kasi nga, existing na siya even before, no? Na sinasabit na talaga natin siya. So ngayon, subsequent compliance siya in a sense na magkakaroon ka ng account, no? E-secure account muna. And then i-integrate nyo po yung for example, kung kayo po ay authorized filer, kailangan nyo po munang maging authorized filer. And then i-integrate nyo po siya doon sa Harbor account ninyo. So, yun siya, no? Again, fill out nyo po kapag nasa Harbor system na kayo, no? Fill out nyo po and then submit nyo po yung beneficial ownership declaration through Harbor system. So, ito po yung bagong system na nilaunch nila last January 30, 2026. So, if you may ask, no, kung anong ginamit namin na version, it's 2026 version. So, at first, guys, nahirapan kami kasi nga akala namin mandatory na, no? But, you know, syempre, sa hindi nagbabasa, ayun, so, napasubo, no? Well, it went well naman, no? Kasi, parang set up na din siya for the next year. So, hindi na kami mahihirapan pa. Napagdaanan namin ngayon lang, no? So, this year, grabe yung mga webinars ni SEC regarding about this matter sa beneficial ownership declaration. So, ayun lang guys, no? Yun lang naman yung changes, no? So, dadatingin tayo dito sa video na ito. Tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano po, no? Para malas na po yung stress ninyo. No? So, yun. So, start tayo. Punta po kayo sa sec.gov.ph. Search nyo po yan. And then, hit enter. And then, lalabas po itong homepage nila, no? And then, sa homepage po nila, may makikita po tayong reportorial requirements. Idadaan nyo lang po yung mouse ninyo dyan. And then, makikita nyo na po yung tatlong option. Of course, i-click natin na itong primary licenses. After that, hindi pa natin makikita. So, we just simply scroll down. So, scroll down natin. Ito na po siya. So, different document types, no? So, make sure lang guys, ha, kung stock corporation kayo, babasahin nyo po talaga maigi. So this one, no, ito yung i-download nyo. So ito yung 2020 version, ito yung 2026 version. Alright, so may description dito. Sabi dito is, this form shall be used starting January 30, 2026 upon the launch of Harbor and shall not be used prior to this date. So again, just simply ignore that description kasi by that time, ang assumption ni SEC is okay lahat, no? But given the demands of the people or of those compliance officers, no, na nahihirapan about the integration of the Harbor system, so inextend nila ng deadline. So first extension is May 15, 2026. And then inextend nila, no, January 30, 2026. So graciously inextend nila. I just want to appreciate the SEC Philippines about it. Yun talaga, guys, no, change is constant, and when there is change, no, there is karang uncomfortabilities, no. So let's just adapt, no, sa mga changes na yon. Actually, mas okay pa nga itong system ng SEC compared to di ko na sabihin, guys, no. Basta yun, ganun lang po mag-download, no. Ewan ko ba. So ganun, click nyo lang po ito. And then, pag na-click nyo na po yan siya, lalabas po yung form dito. And then, after na-click nyo na po yan siya, lalabas na po ito. And then, wag po kayong kabahan pag ganito po yung itsura. Click nyo lang po yung enable editing. And then, ito na po yung magiging itsura niya. Okay? And most of the time, may mga papel-papel pa dito, no? So, just simply click itong grids. No? Click nyo lang yan. And then, that's it. So, kung makikita nyo, page 1 to page 9 na lang siya. Again, all others na pages, same lang po yan siya sa 2020 version. Alright, so yun. That's it for this video, and thank you for watching, guys. If this video helped you, no, please hit the like, subscribe, and follow my Facebook page, no, for your inquiries. And if ever man, guys, na may mga questions kayo, feel free lang po na i-lay down nyo dun sa comment section, and most of the time, sasagutin ko yung mga concerns ninyo. Okay? So, see you in the next video, guys. Bye!